have what it takes to earn your wings at Top Drone? Time to take your networking sky high at our drone school and optical course. Absolute rookies welcome.
Sit down, everybody. Shut up! I said shut up! Welcome to Money 2020 Top Drone Program, people.
Now this manual contains all the things they want you to know about how to fly this plane. Forget the theory. A top drone pilot uses their gut. Today you'll be flying one of our 4 state-of-the-art super sleek drones. Call signs are Aware, Avenue, Entrust, and Incognito. Now before you head over to the fly zone, we do have an essential piece of kit for you to keep. Make sure you pick up your super stylish sunglasses on your way up. Make sure you're wearing these when you're posing for your Polaroid photo. Go and show me you have